Everybody. So I'd like to take an opportunity to talk about a simple mistake that I think some YouTube creators tend to make, and it's not a really big deal. It's like a very minor thing, but and let's face it, I've done it a few times here and there. So for example, when I'm narrating a video, I may say, check out a link in the description below, or leave a comment below, or something like that. And it's something that I've seen video creators do for quite some time, and I'll go and include some examples here. So these examples would come from the Lackluster channel, as well as the Proper People and Audit the Audit, which are very good channels, by the way.
Conduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the next one. All links are down below.
In court. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.
I'll include a link to his GoFundMe below for anyone who would like to help out.
So you can see those were 3 examples of these creators mentioning in the comments below or the description below. But here's the thing. I don't personally think it's a good idea to say in the comments below or description below for 2 big reasons. Number one, you cannot guarantee that YouTube is going to keep the same layout that they've had with the comments below and the description below. YouTube has considered changing the watch page layout, and it's not a very good change in my opinion. Here's a screenshot I found online. So you can see, instead of the comments and description being below the player, they are beside the player. And below the player are video suggestions and stuff like that. It's kind of like how the YouTube lean back interface is when you're on like the home page or whatever. Not a very good layout in my opinion, but it comes to show that YouTube could change things up with the watch page, and it could end up putting the comments or the description not below. It could be above, it could be beside. So personally, I'm trying to make it a habit when I mention any reference to comments or description. I think it's a good idea to say in the video description or in the comments. Don't specifically say in the comments below or the description below, because we can't guarantee that YouTube will keep its layout where the description and the comments are below. Here's the second reason. Okay, so another good reason why it's probably not the best idea to mention in the comments below or in the description below is because not every form of watching YouTube do you have comments below or a description below. For example, this is the YouTube leanback interface, which is what you'll find on smart TVs or on home theater PCs if you know how to get to work on a computer these days. But I'll just go to one of my channels, for example. Go to my videos here on Cube Computer channel, and for example the latest video I'll go and play, and you can see there's no comments below. I mean, I don't see any comments down here. I don't see any comments down here or a description, so there's no comments or description below. Now on the lean back interface, you do have options for like, dislike, super thanks, stuff like that. I thought there was a way you could actually, yeah, there you are. So you can actually view the description on lean back and as well as comments. However, it's not quite the same as doing it on a PC, therefore they're not actually below the video. So yeah, you can see that, of course, on the YouTube lean back interface, which is the YouTube on TV app interface, you don't have comments below or description below. You actually just have the video itself, and if you want to view comments or view the description, you have to make a few button presses to get them on the side, not below. So you have to keep in mind that although a good majority of viewers watching your video will, in fact, at least as of to date with today's interface, have the comments below or description below, there's no guarantee that they'll always remain below the video. So in 10-15 years, when your video is still up on YouTube and your comments are not below the video anymore, it wouldn't make too much sense to say in the comments below. So personally, I think it'd be a good idea to say in the comments or link in the description. Don't say link in the description below, or the link is down below in the description, or link is in the pinned comment below. Yeah, just try to refrain from saying below. And no, I'm not trying to be super nitpicky here. I'm just saying, you know, when I watch YouTube on the TV in here and it says in the description below or the comments below, I'm looking down my wood stove. I don't see any comments or description down there. All I see is a sound bar, and all I see is a fireplace in the wood stove. So yeah, and it's like I say, I've been guilty of it too. But I figure I'd make this quick little video. Just say, hey, if you're a creator, something you might want to think about is not all the YouTube interfaces have comments below or description below, and YouTube is of course subject to change things around. And from the looks of it, those comments or description could be beside your video, not below it. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, thanks for taking the time to watch this video from Cubecompmtdx channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to tick the bell so we get notified of new video posts. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends and get the word out. Also, I have a second channel, that's cubecompmtdx. Over there you'll find videos about thunderstorms and weather, cycling, and videos about me personally. Feel free to subscribe over there as well if you like. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.